Lily, are you being a little tiger? Are you being a little bit of a tiger in there? Yeah, I see some tiger tendencies. I know I'm gonna fight with you, baby. I know you're excited. Ooh, that's a little bit excited, huh? Don't get mad at Daddy. I'm not gonna make you come out. You can play in there, okay? I understand. I understand this is fun for you, okay? I understand. You want to be in the corner. Oh, wow, that's exciting. Yeah, I bet you want to roll on your side. Huh? You want to give me one foot? I'll play with you. You can roll on your back as long as you don't bite me. You can roll over if you don't bite Daddy. Look at that little pretty girl. Look at the little pretty girl. That's a kind of a tiger. Such a pretty girl. Really, Lou.